was preparing for JEE back in 2010, this question always crossed my mind. Is it worth studying so much? Why am I putting so many efforts? I'm sure all of you have the same question, the same frustration. I wanted to give you guys a little perspective on it. See, in our country, there's lots of competition. Yeah, we need a funnel to filter so many people so that they can get seats in respective colleges. You all know why this competition exists. The problem is, why do we make such a huge deal about it? Why is everyone so hell-bent on getting top ranks and good marks and getting into the best college, etc., etc.? Why does our country make such a big deal about it? If you top these examinations, you'll get featured in newspapers, news channels, TVs, YouTube. Why do we make such a big deal out of it? Let me tell you why. Studying, getting into a good college, is actually the easiest, guaranteed, and most secure way of earning yourself financial freedom. Sounds different, right? Let me tell you why. Assume you want to become an artist, an actor, a musician. What will happen is you will have to, first of all, put lots of efforts to turn that talent into skill that can be used. Imagine you want to become a musician. Lots of struggling musicians don't even know when they'll get their next paycheck because they have gaps of like 5-6 months. They don't play for 5-6 months. Only a handful of those people get to the top, where a lot of people are noticing them when they are famous, when they are rich. Most of the people in that space are struggling to get their next paycheck. And you know the fact as well. Even for actors, it's not easy to just become an actor, right? You just don't go to Bombay and become an actor overnight. So, other fields that look more lucrative have a lot of risk and a lot of struggle associated with them, and most likely you will never have a secure future in that. Come to academics once again. If you get a job, it will pay you money every single month. You will have a basic level of security in life. You'll be able to take care of yourself. You will be able to raise a family if you want to. Yeah? You'll be able to spend on yourself as well. There will be a lot of leisure as well in this type of profession. But it doesn't come with the perks like fame and being super rich, etc., etc. So this question, whether studying is worth it, it's entirely subjective. If you want to have a good lifestyle, job security, financial freedom, definitely studying is worth it. The other side of the road is difficult, it's risky, but you know what lies at the end of it. So it's your decision entirely. Now that you're already knee-deep in studies, I believe you should give all your focus to studying. Once you have this basic level of freedom, then you can obviously go and pursue other things as well. Yes, so I hope this gave you a good perspective as to why we are studying so much. Is it worth the time for you or not? And in the race of things, we always forget why we are doing it in the first place. Yes, so I hope this reminded you of that. And in case you have any other questions that you want to ask me, please leave that in the comment section down below. If this video helped you in any manner, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later.